Not a big fan of the envelopes when they contain PEZ dispensers. Not at all. If I'm ordering PEZ and I get it in an envelope, I'm mad. I guess it should be cool, though. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here on the PEZbook channel. There it is. Do me a favor, questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below now, then. Glow in the dark shoes. Ooh. So these are PEZ shoes for non-footed PEZ dispensers. Now on the bottoms of them, you'll see here there is an S. And then here, this one here is an M. So certain ones go on certain dispensers. So the S one, when we try it on Pluto, ooh, it's really snug. You can feel how tight that is. That's not in its best interest. But when we put it in the M, fits good. Yeah. Way to show off them new shoes, Pluto, blah, 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 blah. So until next time.